Experienced Manhattan Company OP real estate attorney. Buying a co-op in Manhattan isn't just a real estate deal, it's a purchase of corporate shares governed by specific rules and requires careful legal guidance. In a co-op, the buyer acquires shares in the corporation that owns the building and receives a proprietary lease giving the right to occupy a specific apartment. This structure makes a co-op personal property rather than real property and distinguishes it from a condominium where you own the unit itself. Condos often require lower down payments and offer more flexibility in subletting and resale, while co-ops typically cost less upfront but require higher down payments and strict board approval. Preparation for a purchase begins with determining your budget, securing mortgage pre-approval and submitting an offer through your real estate agent. Immediately retaining an experienced real estate attorney ensures that your contract is reviewed and due diligence is conducted on the building's financial health and governance. Due diligence involves reviewing the offering plan, recent financial statements, house rules, bylaws and board minutes to identify potential litigation, assessments or recurring issues. Once due diligence is complete and negotiations conclude, the buyer signs the contract and delivers a 10% deposit to be held in escrow while the seller countersigns, making the contract binding. The buyer must assemble a comprehensive board package including a financial statement, tax returns, bank statements, employment verification, mortgage commitment and personal reference letters. The co-op board and managing agent review this package, conduct an interview and decide whether to approve the applicant. Punctuality, conservative appearance and concise answers are advised. After board approval, closing is scheduled where attorneys for both sides coordinate with lenders and the managing agent and the buyer receives a stock certificate and proprietary lease instead of a deed. Monthly maintenance fees cover property taxes, utilities, mortgages and staff salaries and are based on the number of shares owned. A larger share means a higher fee and more decision-making power. Co-ops offer advantages such as lower purchase prices compared with condominiums, more available options, a shared commitment to care for the building and leverage to enforce community rules. Thorough building due diligence requires evaluating reserve funds, operating budgets, underlying mortgages, board minutes, maintenance trends and rejection rates to uncover risks and anticipate assessments. A seasoned real estate lawyer conducts due diligence, negotiates terms, orders lien searches, drafts riders, corresponds with agents and lenders and represents clients at closing. Issues that can disrupt a transaction include changes in debt-to-income ratio, low appraisals, lender rejection, board rejection, missing documents, tax liens and delays in obtaining original stock certificates. Working with a knowledgeable lawyer helps anticipate and resolve these issues and provides peace of mind throughout the co-op purchase or sale. A co-op is personal property representing shares in a corporation and a proprietary lease, while a condominium deed conveys fee simple ownership of the unit and an undivided share of common elements. A complete board package typically requires a REBNY financial statement, multiple years of tax returns, bank statements, employment verification, a mortgage commitment letter and personal and professional reference letters. Flip taxes are building fees charged when an apartment is sold, usually paid by the seller and often calculated as a percentage of the sale price. In Manhattan, they commonly range from 1 to 3%. Local Law 11 requires facade inspections for buildings over 6 stories every 5 years and may result in special assessments or increased maintenance fees. Sishodia PLLC's Manhattan Co-op real estate attorneys, led by Natalia A. Sishodia, offer practical guidance for buyers and sellers and have extensive experience in New York property transactions. This law firm provides organized closings through detailed planning and open communication and is recognized for outstanding achievements in international law. Contact the law firm of Sishodia PLLC at 600 3rd Avenue 2nd floor, New York, 10016, United States, or call 833-616-4646 to speak with a Manhattan real estate attorney about your co-op transaction.